Want to launch a killer product without spending thousands on market research? Need to write a killer quiz, meal plan, or even a lab manual in minutes? You're about to see how AI can do that and more faster than your morning coffee brews. Let's dive in. How to use Google Bard and ChatGPT to build your business fast. Scene 1: Product ideas with Google Bard. Let's say you're running a mattress company in Ontario, Canada. You sell mattresses in a box, convenient, comfy, and ready to ship. But now you want to expand. Here's the magic. Type in something like, generate new product ideas for a mattress-in-a-box company in Ontario, based on market research. And boom, Bard gives you game-changing ideas like, mattresses with built-in adjustable bases, perfect for small apartments or people with back pain. Waterproof covers for families with pets or kids. 100% satisfaction guarantees to boost trust and loyalty. This isn't just brainstorming. This is AI-powered market research for free. Scene 2: Writing better prompts with ChatGPT. Now let's talk about ChatGPT, the Swiss Army knife of AI. But here's the secret. It's only as smart as your prompt. Basic prompt versus enhanced prompt. Instead of typing, send the report, go specific. Try, please send the Q3 earnings report, PDF, by 7 p.m. to prep for tomorrow's management meeting. Clear, concise, complete. Data quality equals answer quality. Scene 3: Teaching, quizzes, and education. Teachers, listen up. ChatGPT can create 30-question multiple-choice quizzes on any topic, like human anatomy. Ask it to include explanations, adjust for age, tone, even format. Want more detail? Just say, expand. Need it simpler? Say, make it fun for teens. Done and done. Scene 4: Explain hard stuff simply. Trying to explain dark matter to a 10-year-old? Say no more. ChatGPT breaks it down in under 100 words, in kid-friendly language. No PhD required. Scene 5: Meal plans and healthy living. Looking to lose weight but tired of diet drama? Ask ChatGPT for a 500-word weight loss meal plan. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, even snacks included. 3 options per meal. Simple, structured, and personalized. You'll never Google what to eat again. Scene 6: Lab SOPs in seconds. Scientists and engineers, SOPs don't need to take hours. Just tell ChatGPT. Create a 500-word SOP for lab scales, including safety and maintenance. And just like that, your lab is compliant, and you didn't even break a sweat. Scene 7: Turn AI text into slides. Got text? Want slides? ChatGPT plus Word Online equals instant PowerPoint. Just paste your info into Word Online, export, and boom, your next class or pitch deck is done. So whether you're launching a business, teaching a class, meal planning your life, or just curious, ChatGPT and Google Bard are your AI sidekicks. Smash that like button if you learned something new. Share this video with a friend who needs an AI upgrade. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff, all-action tutorials. See you next time. AI for real life. Subscribe now.